In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your own video tile in Google Meet. If you find your own camera view distracting during meetings, this quick walkthrough will show you how to minimize your self-view without turning off your camera. We'll start right from Google Calendar so you can join the correct meeting and then hide your tile with a couple of clicks. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Find the event that includes your Google Meet link. Opening the meeting from Calendar helps ensure you're joining the exact session on your schedule, and it keeps everything organized in one place. Click the scheduled meeting to open its details, then select the option to join with Google Meet. If your browser asks for permissions to use your camera and microphone, confirm those so you're ready to participate. When the preview screen appears, check that your audio and video look good, and then click Join Now to enter the meeting. Once you're in, look for your own video tile. This is your self-view, usually shown as a small tile among the participants or pinned along the edge of the screen. Click on your video so that its controls become active, then move your cursor over your tile to reveal the menu. Click the More Actions button on your self-view. You'll typically recognize it as 3 vertical dots on the tile. From that menu, choose Minimize. This hides your own video from your view while keeping your camera on for everyone else. It's a great way to reduce self-consciousness and stay focused on the conversation. Don't worry, minimizing does not mute you or turn off your camera. It only removes your tile from your screen. If at any point you want to see yourself again, move your cursor to your self-view area or the spot where your tile would appear, click More Actions once more, and select Maximize. Your self-view will return to its regular size and position so you can quickly check your framing or lighting. You can switch between minimize and maximize whenever you need, and the option is especially handy when you're presenting or taking notes and want more space for shared content. That's all there is to it. Open your meeting from Calendar, join the call, click your video, open More Actions, and choose Minimize to hide your self-view, then Maximize to bring it back. Try it in your next meeting to keep your attention on the people and content that matter most.